Hi, I'm Andrew, and I'm here to introduce you to our latest release of Volunteer Impact, version 4.26. There are enhancements for our Standard and Enterprise Edition users. I'll go over the whole upgrade in more detail, but let's start with some highlights. Delete a shift from the schedule. Application form customization. Search by keyword for better impact buddies. Using the rich text editor to create a personal message to a volunteer. Branding settings apply to e-learning modules. Restricting support access to your data. And a number of features and tweaks as suggested by all of you. Let's have a more detailed look at the new features and enhancements you'll find in this release. Administrators can now also delete a shift for a specific day while in the Assign from Scheduled List menu option. In the application form customization settings, administrators can now override the default text used for organization policies title, the checkbox label, and the button used to view the policies. There is now a keywords filter available when searching for a better impact buddy. Text entered in the keywords field will search in the buddy's How Can I Help and Notes fields, providing you with additional ways to find a better impact buddy. The Personal Message to Volunteers field in a volunteer's profile now includes the ability to format the text, insert images, links, and videos using the rich text editor. E-learning modules are now branded as standard content and will use your selected background and text color settings. You can permit your organization's personal data to be accessible by specific regions of the Better Impact team when assisting you in providing support. Support from the Better Impact team around the world will be available to you regardless of your selection, but because support outside of your normal business hours is typically covered by someone on the team in another country, support requiring access to your data might not be readily available after hours. The warning of upcoming maintenance now includes a link to the status page site. There have also been enhancements for volunteers using myvolunteerpage.com. The volunteers' dashboard on their homepage has been adjusted so that no decimal places are displayed in hours information. Also, there are no longer monthly totals for hours, just this week and this year, but lifetime hours have been added. And at the enterprise level, the account list page has been reformatted for greater readability with regions, if used, shown in bold. If the administrator has access to the enterprise, the heading will contain a link. That's it for your introduction to this release. Be sure to check out your online help files for further details on all these new features and enhancements. Thanks for all the suggestions that help us to make our software better every day.